Let's go over the measure and print controls. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a ruler. In addition to measuring distance, you'll also have the option to measure area. Left-click to add vertices to your polygonal measurement. As you measure, a list will begin to take shape in the West pane. You may select an alternative unit of measurement at any time. Again, left-clicking to add vertices along the way. You may wish to toggle the visibility of segment labels, area labels, or the shapes themselves, and you may do so in the West pane. Let's take one final measurement. With the measurements complete, you may wish to generate a PDF output of what you have created here, so let's explore our print control. Select an orientation, paper size, whether or not to display coordinates, add a title, and perhaps some additional text. Maybe you'd like a high-res printout, and then generate a print preview. Within the print preview, you may pan and zoom the map to your liking. Once things are just right, you may generate the map. Now that the PDF has been downloaded, you can open it, save it, and send it. Revisiting our measurements, you may close them one at a time or select to clear them all at once.